Hey everybody, really nice to see some of you and to be here. So my name is Fanny and I work with sound for a number of years now, and I have found that this brings a really profound effect on people. So maybe some of you already know when recently people are actually really into sound meditations, into sound journeys, and this is because scientifically now it's proven that when they measure the five main waves of the brain, how the sound affects that. So you have like the gamma, beta, alpha, theta, and delta brain waves. So when you wake up in the morning, usually people are like, oh, they look at the time, they look at your phones, or they go and grab a cup of coffee. But this is a no-no. So it's a really good practice. When you wake up in the morning, you're still into that dream state of mind with the brain, and it's you're still in alpha brain waves, and in this state of mind, you can actually plan your day, and you can energetically affect it, what is going to happen. So if you have any important meetings going on, if you have any choices to make, so when you wake up in the morning, if you need quick bathroom and then just go back to your bed or your space and just sit down and be in your with your inner space, and you give yourself a few deep breaths, and you can actually work with the energies. Usually I use my hands, and you start feeling the energy between your hands, and you can start visualizing your day. So I travel a lot, so I start visualizing how I travel, that I'm, that I'm safe, that my meetings are becoming great. Usually, one of my missions are to, when I meet people, is to open their hearts. So I always, this is part of the things that I bring in. May everybody that I meet open their heart, and it's just the vibration of the day goes well. So you can use this. I start using this every day, and I have found a really big difference into this day, how it's going, and things that you feel nervous or worried about, you can actually start with that, and suddenly all the worries, everything changes. And because we are vibrational beings and everything vibrates in the body, uh, the way how you feel and the way how you walk out there, you're changing everybody around you. At the moment you change your thoughts, you're changing everybody that, regardless if you're talking to them personally or they're just in your space, your vibration is changing everything. So that's why I usually, people are like, oh, but it's just me, I'm my little me. I'm, the ant of the whole sea of humanity. But actually this ant, it's so important. It's like ripple in the pond. Whatever, all your thoughts, all your actions, they are affecting everybody around you. And so this is with the alpha brain waves. And then during the day we go on, we get on, and we move into more into like they're called gamma and beta. And usually this is when you're kind of your normal daily routine, really. When you start, especially beta, it's when you feel worried, anxious. So that's why many of the speakers, they recommend, you've heard already yesterday, when you do meditation and you go inwards. And I use instruments like didgeridoo and shamanic drum. And when the brain waves has been measured, they actually take you out of this brain wave of gamma and beta, and they take you into theta brain wave, it's called. And this is more the relaxing state of mind. And if you already practice some yoga or pranayama, like breath work, you can actually go even deeper into delta waves, brain waves. And this is when you go into a shamanic state, and you can have insights, you can have visions, you can speak to your um, power animals. Some people see visions, colors. You can you can actually heal um, traumas, childhood things can come up. So, and because it's subconscious, this is the amazing thing about sound, that you don't actually need to do anything. You just need to be there and surrender and open yourself to the sound. And then whatever your place in life you are at, this is what will come to you. So if you're ready to open a certain door, this door will open, and then this door will allow you to open other doors. And this is the amazing thing about life, that we can let go of things that we have already reached, we have already um, in, have experience of, and we can let go of these past experiences, regardless how you call them. If they've been positive or negative, doesn't matter. It's just in certain point of life, you're so full of experiences, you're so full of emotions that are attached to these experiences, that actually this is what we are working towards. You need practices that you are able to let go of these expectations, beliefs, ideas about yourself, about what you do, who you are, labels. You know, I'm a white a middle-aged woman from Eastern Europe that worked with sound and da, 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 da. Oh, this is just stories and it's just illusion. It's not, you know, when you connect with energy work and with spirit, this is actually doesn't matter, because today I'm this, tomorrow I can be just a mother, then I can be just a chef, then I can be a dancer, or I'm a facilitator with workshops, I can be a writer, artist, anything, and this it's valuable, the same for you. You can change your hats daily, and you can be whoever you want, every time you want. So today you might think, oh, I really like being in this event, I really resonate with these people, and such a beautiful day, isn't it? And I feel so good about being alive. And tomorrow it's raining, you're still here with exactly the same people, and you're like, oh, what a miserable day, I feel horrible today. I feel cold, I'm uncomfortable, I don't like being here, I start having headaches, all these people talking to me. So it's exactly the same situation, but you're the one that you decide what is going to be your belief about the situation, and you're the one that you decide what is your perspective of your present moment. So you're the one that can change your reality, and you have the whole capacity to heal yourself and to change that reality. So my vision is that with sound, you can subconsciously open those doors that are allowing you to self-heal and show you the power of who you truly are. So, yes, let's start together with a little sound demonstration. So I'd like to ask you first to notice your posture. So sit up nice and straight, or if you're laid down, just lay down. And but before that, actually, let's use some of the herbs they did yesterday. So we're gonna start rubbing the palms together. Just we're gonna open the physical body a little bit and switch off the mind by using a little bit of EFTs, a bit of tapping, a bit of breath. You're gonna give yourself a deep breath. Breathe in through the nose, and when you breathe out, sigh it out. So breathe in and breathe out. And we're gonna bring the palms up, coming onto the scalp, and you're gonna visualize almost like raindrops coming. I use the tips of my fingers, and you can tap on your crown, and just let's invite our connection with the cosmos, and plant your feet into the ground. Yes, it's a good idea to take shoes off if you feel like. And then we're gonna go a little bit around, and we're gonna come up onto the shoulders. Usually we collect a lot of tension in the shoulders, so squeeze the shoulders and let go. And let's do a little bit of a cross. So from one shoulder all the way across down, we're gonna cross the energies into the body, and then we're gonna come onto the forehead, and we're gonna tap on the eyebrows, following that bone all the way around. Give yourself a deep breath with the belly. coming onto the cheekbones. Another deep breath. And breathe out. I'm going to come onto the chest. And here we have different points, so we're going to use the points for the kidneys so where you have your collarbone, and you go just slightly below the collarbone. And I sometimes actually I like using my fist. And then we're going to come into the lung meridian one. This is where the meridians for the lung starts. So it's exactly the crease between your shoulder blade. This is amazing points to start every day with, because they turn on your inner healer and boost your immune system. So you can use that as well. So we're gonna start doing all this onto the chest. Let's come onto the center as well. Let's invite sound. So usually in sound therapy, we consider voice, it's probably like the most powerful sound healing tool. And because we all have a voice, if we're lucky to have it, this is what you can use every day. So let's invite the sound up. Give yourself a deep breath. One more time. And we're going to make a gentle fist. We're going to follow the rib cage here, all the way around into the spleen meridian. So anytime during the day you feel anxious, you're in the car stuck in a traffic jam, or you need energy because you're supposed to work and you feel really low on energy, this is a super points here. So just tapping onto that.
On your ribcage, Fanny?
It's on the rib cage onto the side. Wonderful. And give yourself a deep breath. And breathe out. And allow yourself to rest your heads on your thighs and just look across the room and find somewhere a space that you connect with, a color, and just focus your gaze into one dot. And give yourself a deep breath. And we're gonna close our eyes. And just closing the eyes. And taking a deep breath into the belly. And just for a moment notice how you feel after all this tapping. And bringing your awareness into the center of your head. Tuning in with the darkness behind your eyelids. And let's very gently allow yourself to take that awareness into the body, going all the way from the center of your head down to your heart. And just notice, what is your intention today? What do you need right here, right now, into your life? Extra love, extra attention. And just bringing that intention into your heart center. When you breathe in that intention, and when you breathe out, invite everything that serves you no more to leave the body. And let's together tune in with the sounds. So the sound in Chinese medicine used for healing the heart, it's Ha, H-A. So without opening your eyes, just feel that sound and take a deep breath through your nose into the belly and breathing out Ha. Tuning in with the energy of the group here. And just allow yourself to be exactly who you are. Feeling supported from everybody around. Feeling in tune with everybody. And with your next breath, just breathing into that heart center. And start scanning your body with your awareness. Just visualize a beam of light coming through your feet all the way up, through your legs, through your knees and your hips and your pelvis, into your lower back, into your spine, all the way up. And you feel that healing, loving energy from the earth traveling up into your body, and healing every cell, opening up a space into the body. gently coming back to the natural rhythm of your breath, breathing in and breathing out. And I would like to ask you, to invite you to place your hands on the top of your heart and just feel that heartbeat for a moment. And with your next inhalation, invite a feeling of gratitude for everything that we have in our lives. The sky above, with the sun, with the rain, with the clouds, the earth below, the rivers and ocean and deserts, mountains, and all Mother Earth creation in between. And with your next breath, just give yourself gratitude for all the people that are part of your journey. And give yourself gratitude for everything that you have become. All the good things that you cherish about yourself. And let's together, still with your eyes closed, just visualize someone that you really care about. And perhaps they need a gentle wave of unconditional love. And let's together send this across, regardless where they are, right here, right now. Just visualizing that person, you can almost smell them, you can touch them, you can see them right here, right now in front of you. And just connect with your voice. Inviting the sound ah, sending your unconditional loving, healing energy to that person. A child, a partner, a friend, a neighbor, someone you don't know, but you see sometimes on the street. Taking a deep belly breath. And just expanding the arms from your heart all the way forward, almost like you're swimming in the sea. Just bring them up and then all the way, like opening your wings. And this time when we breathe out, bringing the palms in front of you. So breathing in. Taking deep breath, open your wings, expand your horizon, and then breathing out. And bring those hands, those palms on the top of the heart. Give yourself a gentle rub. And just remind yourself how beautiful, how amazing you are, that everything you do matter, all your thoughts. So encourage yourself to bring that kind thoughts for yourself and others. And keep vibrating, keep shining bright, keep dancing your life and enjoy every step of the way, because you never know when is going to be the last one. So just enjoy every step, bring that amusement, bring that joy, bring that playfulness into your life. Yes, let's not be so serious. And just share the love around. Be love. We're all love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Maybe just before we stop, look around and give each other a smile. Give each other like a little wave or a gratitude bow to each other for getting out of the ordinary and coming here on the field and connecting and tuning in and sharing all our wisdom and knowledge together. Thank you so much. And please be grateful to Karen for putting this up and for inviting me, of course. On the opening, and we're just gonna have like an hug, I call it, bomb, but together. So we're gonna just get as close as possible to each other, forgetting all our claustrophobic feelings and all our feelings about not liking being touched or whatever. And if you have any physical issues, please be more into the middle. Yeah, let's get together.
That's two.
Yeah.
Oh, that's to warm me up actually.
Yes, yes, yes.
Out there.